Hello everyone, welcome back to the first AR devlog. So I used to have the devlog series. I don't have that anymore. I'm not going to post a video every single week because in the weeks that I don't do anything, I don't want to post a video and basically just say, hello, I did nothing this week. But at the same time, I do a lot of things every week, but in my devlog, I would only put AR and game development. And I don't want to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it off into different series. So this is the AR devlog series, and I'm going to make another one for game development. And I'm not going to post consistently, so if you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe and put those notifications on. Alright, so first AR devlog. Let's go. So I made two different AR projects, two different types of AR. So the first type of AR project that I made is marker-based. Basically, I'll place a marker somewhere and overlay a cube on top of it, and then I can have my camera that looks around and the cube will stay in the same place. The second type of AR that I made is superimposition, where I have an image on something, and then the camera recognizes the image and places a cube on the image. And then I can move the image around and the cube moves with the image. So out of the two, the superimposition was a lot easier because I used something called Vuforia that will be linked in the description, as well as the tutorial I followed to make these projects. Yes, I did follow tutorials. I have no idea how this stuff works yet, so I'm following tutorials until I know what I'm doing, and then I'm going to make my own project. So superimposition was actually quite easy. I just had to set up my dashboard on Vuforia, then import things into Unity, and then after that, print the image. I said print the image. It's not printing the image. So everything was going well. And then my printer stopped working. And I just had to wait 2 days to get the printer working again. This isn't the end of the world, and I got over it fairly quickly. It was just mildly frustrating that now that I had everything working, I just needed to print the image, and the printer stopped working. But after 2 days, I fixed it, and now I have this image, and the project is done, so I'm going to go show you the result for that. For my second AR project, which is marker-based AR, what I did is I basically just followed a tutorial. It didn't work at first, and I just did it over and over, scrapping it 3 times. I think I had to scrap it. Yeah, 3 times. But in the end, now it works. And yes, compared to that last clip, it is now dark because of this little thing called time. And also, I'm too lazy to set up my tripod. So I'm just kind of holding the camera. I have like the best problems. Like, I'm struggling to hold 2 phones at the same time, but like most people don't have 2 phones to hold. Anyways, yeah. Basically, this is my AR app. I just accidentally tapped the screen there and kind of screwed it up. But there's a lot of glare. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. So there's like this little square thing on that detects planes, and if I tap the screen, it places a cube. But the funny thing is, there's no cube there. It's just on the screen. And I can move the screen around. Still works. As I said, I kind of messed things up and put a cube there, but cube on the ground, and I can move around and it stays there. But there's not actually a cube there. So now ignoring the very obvious light, which is right there in my face. So that's everything I did with AR lately. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If not, at least you kind of know what I'm working on now. I hope it served its purpose so that you kind of can follow along. But I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.